guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your TeamViewer app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you to disable this sign on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just come here to show remote cursor here. So then you click here in this sign or this color, like you see here color, it's gone. That's mean remote cursor, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it on your TeamViewer app. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.